Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Scorpios. What's on your side, Scorpios? For Scorpios, we have the King of Swords on your side. Let's see what's on your person's side. On your person's side, we have the Four of Pentacles. The most likely outcome. The Chariot, okay. So with the King of Swords, you are not investing much in this relationship, and with the Four of Pentacles, the other person is also closed off. You are very cold and guarded. This person is not investing, but the outcome is the Chariot. Let's see how it happens. Things are picking up pace then maybe. Let's see how it happens. So for the King of Swords, for Scorpios, we have for the King of Swords, we have the King of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Four of Pentacles. Just see, mirroring each other. The Nine of Pentacles, the Devil. Okay. Let's see why is this Four of Pentacles here for Scorpios. So for the Four of Pentacles, we have the Five of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Justice, the Judgment, okay, major decision time, the Five of Swords, the Nine of Cups, Six of Wands, okay. Let's see why is this Chariot here for, as the most likely outcome. The Three of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the High Priestess, and the Star, okay, the Lovers, Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is, for the King of Swords, you are feeling being a little detached and cold in this relationship, though you have a lot of passion with the King of Wands here. So you have a lot of passion, but you are not showing it with the Four of Pentacles there, hiding your emotions. With the Nine of Pentacles, you're more focused on yourself, or you're focusing on yourself, but with the Ace of Wands, you do want a new beginning with that person. With the Devil, maybe there is something which is holding you back from opening up. Maybe there is a reason for you to be detached and behave in a cold manner, and that is either it's your nature or there is a reason to it. With the Devil, something is holding you back from opening up. And here we have the Four of Pentacles. So this person is also not investing and opening up. What I feel here is that this person is not opening up because they feel ignored. They really uh, feel upset on the fact that you are not investing. That's what I feel. Maybe with the Five of Swords over here, there has been a fight or a dispute between both of you, and because of that, temporarily this situation has occurred. Because with the Knight of Wands, you also have a lot of passion for this person, and but with the you are behaving like a King of Swords. So maybe because of some argument which has occurred between both of you, there has been something, and because of that, this other person is feeling left out in the cold. They feel ignored. With the King of Pentacles over here, what I feel here is that this is a major decision time with the Justice, the Judgment. There is a major decision which is being taken or has to be taken by this person or you regarding this relationship. And with the King of Pentacles, this is a person who is very, very stable. Okay, this person is very stable and they really see this connection as their wish fulfillment. They really want a stability in this connection. They really want commitment in this relationship. It's their earnest desire to have it, and they are really wanting a decision on it. Or they are actually deciding on it. They want a decision or they are making a decision. Definitely some decision has to be made over here or is wanting to be made. Okay, and here the mutual outcome is the Chariot. So definitely things are picking up pace. Maybe because the other person is actually looking for a decision over here. And here we have the Three of Swords, the Queen of Swords, mirroring the King of Swords here, the High Priestess, Star, and the Lovers. I would definitely suggest you to watch the Taurus reading also, because similar message has come up in the Taurus reading also. Maybe you are dealing with the Taurus, or maybe since the ruling planets of no, this is the Scorpio reading, sorry. No, I thought it was Libra, sorry. But yes, I would definitely want you to watch the Taurus reading. Maybe you are dealing with a Taurian. Anyway, so here we have the Three of Swords, a lot of heartbreak because of this situation. Whatever, with the Five of Swords, whatever has happened and whatever has caused both of you to be closed off, there is a lot of hurt deep inside. But with the Queen of Swords, you are not showing, you are not showing your passion, and you are showing that cold attitude. Similarly, the other person, maybe they suffer from a heartbreak, but they are also not showing their emotions. They are also being the Queen of Swords. And we have the High Priestess, the Star, and the Lovers. So definitely the wishes are being fulfilled. Your intuition tells you that yes, this is my soulmate, I really want this person to happen. Your wishes are being fulfilled, and that is why I think things are getting sorted out and picking up pace. Let's see what's anything else for Scorpios. Yes, the Ten of Wheels. As I said, the things are changing. Your wishes are being fulfilled. We have the Ten of Wheels, the Tower, the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, Nine of Swords. So what I feel is maybe there is an unexpected change of events. So maybe this situation changes unexpectedly and it picks up pace. With the Three of Pentacles, what I feel, King of Pentacles and the King of Wands. So what I feel is it's like after discussing with somebody, maybe taking an opinion, maybe discussing among yourself, maybe discussing with your friends, and the Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. Since there is a lot of passion, I think the situation will improve slowly and gradually. Okay. But yes, the situation will change unexpectedly, maybe, or suddenly. Maybe it's like, since both of you are closed off over here, and as I said initially, this is why when both of you are closed off, how can the relationship move very fast? With the Chariot being the major arcana, and Chariot means okay, it's everything starts moving very fast. So maybe that is unexpected at the outset. Only it is unexpected, no? So with it, that is what it is talking about. Maybe unexpectedly, since you are waiting for a decision over here, maybe unexpectedly they give you a positive decision and things start picking up pace immediately. So let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Scorpios. Spiritual connection. Number 27 may be of some significance for you. This relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. So that is what it is. That is why, even if with the devil also over here, what I feel is, as I said, this is something which is holding you back. But the thing is, you feel so connected to this person with the lovers card over here, that you know that and with the judgment also, it is something, it can be something which is there since a long time. So it is a connection which is a long term connection. Okay, Scorpio, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.